Hi there, my name is Alexander Tom and I'm from San Jose State University and I will be doing a video about ultrasonic welding. Ultrasonic welding is a type of welding process in which it joins or forms two objects together through the use of heat generated from high-frequency electrical energy, which converts into high-frequency mechanical motion through the use of the tip of a tool through vibration. Ultrasonic welding is a solid-state welding process, which means that there is no added heat during the welding process. This process is typically used for plastics and metals, and are typically used in various industries such as the automotive, electronics, medical, and packaging, to name a few. Ultrasonic welding is typically used over the other types of solid-state welding processes, as it is a clean, fast, and reliable method of joining materials together. Currently, ultrasonic welding is much faster than conventional welding techniques and can create clean and precise joints without the need for excess materials. Also, this process is incredibly easy to repeat, and although the cost of the equipment is more expensive than the conventional welding, the welding is one of the most cost-effective ways to weld compared to some of the other welding processes. There are certain challenges that come up with working with ultrasonic welding. The first challenge is overwelding, where we could be applying too much energy to the weld, or we would weld for too long of a time. The second challenge is underwelding, where we may not have enough energy, or we applied the weld for too short of a time. There could also be some improper setup or cleaning, which made it so that the welds wouldn't be sufficient enough. The third challenge is part-to-part inconsistencies, where parts may not be cleaned well enough, parts which are made up of cheap material, or the parts don't fit each other. And then the last challenge is flash, which is caused by excess energy or poor part design. If a weld is applied for too long of a time, the energy applied is just too large, or if the joints are inconsistent. Usually, ultrasonic welding is used more for ultrasonic plastic welding than it is for ultrasonic metal welding. Usually the two are the same aside from the tips. So here are the following steps for the welding processes. First, the parts are in a fixture, where the two thermoplastic parts to be assembled are placed together in a fixture. Then, a titanium or aluminum component called a horn is brought into contact with the upper plastic part of the fixture. Force is then applied to the horn, for the two parts, clamping them together, and then the ultrasonic horn is vibrated vertically between 20,000 to 40,000 times per second at distances measured in thousandths of an inch, for a predetermined amount of time. After the plastic melted by the horn is cooled, the clamping force is maintained for a predetermined amount of time to allow the parts to fuse as the melted plastic cools. Afterwards, clamping force is removed and the ultrasonic horn is retracted. Overall, ultrasonic welding is a great way to weld, being a cost-efficient, quick, and easy way to weld plastics and metals. Thank you.